quick bonus clip. I've driven so many cars and go places and stuff. And sometimes you drive cars that are worth million ringgit or 700,000 ringgit or 8,000 ringgit or 5,000 ringgit. And people see that and like, oh, okay, was it car? That's about it. I've never got as many stares driving a car like driving this one. And this is a Yaris GR in white, plain white. Obviously it's pearl white, but I was shocked. Back there I was at the toll booth and the guy said, "Wow, okay bang, kita ni, kita pergi macam nampak macam yang lain sikit." I was saying, "Oh, it's a Yaris GR. Oh, it's a new one. Oh, it's a sporty one, you know." And it wasn't the price factor. Without knowing the price, without knowing its prowess, without knowing what it does, just the looks of it, some of them didn't even know what brand it was. People gave a second look. And then got car guys, which have. I saw a guy with a Type R, RX-7, and I was going by a car park in Genting, and they were like looking at me. And it's funny because I'm going in a car superior than you, but in their mind, it's spec. I see a GR and they were like, the spec, bro. I've got a car that is sporty. You got a rally car that tries to disguise itself to be a typical car. So yeah, it's something unique. I don't think that this kind of cars will come out very quick. Maybe once every decade it comes out, and this is it. You know, one in a decade car. But definitely not a car that can use daily. I don't see myself in this car daily. That's just too bonkers, too wild, too uncomfortable, too everything. You know, but it is definitely something unique. Today, Subaru, Mitsubishi, they're all out of the whole rally business. So they don't make rally cars. They don't make rally cars they can go and buy today and say like, "Oh, this is my rally car." But even those cars, talk about the Evos, they were more edition special, but the car they used on the rally were based off this, but pretty much a lot of it was different. It was changed heavily to fit the rally requirements. This, however, I find that as is, it'll do pretty well. It'll do pretty well on a rally track. Obviously, they'll take out seats and stuff and roll cage and all those good stuff, but as is, you feel that confidence that this is a very capable rally car. And being in KL, going over humps and, you know what, try to avoid them and dipping and countering and bringing out and accelerating and doing all those crazy shit. Man, it brings me smiles. So yeah, Yaris GR, definitely something very, very different. Never in my life have I experienced a car this different. I must say, washer guy, the last 3 weeks, I drove the 911 GT3 on track in the Yaris GR. The Yaris GR brought more smile to my face than the 911 GT3. The GT3 made me feel how poor I was. This made me feel how fun I could have and not worry about what the car cost and just drive it, and I know mechanically it's sound, and I know it's not going to break down. So yeah, it's a different feel altogether. You know, I'm speechless. Bye guys, see you later.